my channel. It's Ty, aka Glambytai, and I'm back with another video. So for today's video, it is on this lovely, and I mean lovely wig. It's giving me Beyoncé, Destiny's Child, homecoming vibes, sis, okay? This is so cute. It is a curly wig, obviously it's a deep wave wig, and it's highlighted. We have some blonde patches in here. Girl, they did their thing. So this wig is from UNice hair, and they did their thing with this wig. Like, I cannot be disappointed at all. I love this wig. This is a 13x4 lace frontal wig, so it is lace from ear to ear, and it fit my head perfectly. If I'm not mistaken, it's 150% density, so it's super thick. Okay, so I'm gonna just show you guys the back as much as I can, child. But yes, and I went on ahead and I bleached my knots. Didn't have to because it is a blonde wig, but I always do just to secure everything, make sure everything is good. I bleached the knots, and then I plucked it myself. So that's basically all I did to it. Now this is 24 inches. So let me see if I can pull all the hair to the front to show y'all. Yes, 24 inches, boo, period. Okay, she's so cute. I can't even get over it. Like, mama, I'm so hyped about this wig. Like, this shit is a bomb. Y'all see it? Y'all see it, period. Y'all see it, okay? Y'all let me know in the comments below, do y'all want to see me straighten this wig? Because honestly, you'll see when I start putting the wig on that it got like really blown out when I was plucking it, and that was from me just brushing the curls out. Like, it just got really blown out. So I'm thinking like, oh, I might be able to straighten this wig. So let me know, because I love a curly wig that could be versatile and you could also wear straight but then go back to curly. So y'all let me know if y'all want a video on that, because I definitely will. I have time on my hands, so let me know, sis. I will do it for you. But yeah, I just added, you know, a couple baby hairs, and this is what she's looking like. Yes, period. Period, sis. Do the damn thing. So yeah, you guys, I'm gonna stop rambling. I'm gonna let y'all go on ahead and watch this video of me actually installing this wig. Now, if you haven't seen my last curly hair video, I will link that in the description below. The install isn't too different. Just the little things that I critiqued and, you know, made my own. But yes, you guys, I'm done talking. Go on ahead and watch the end of the video. And thank you so much for watching. I'll see you guys in my next one. Bye.
Jumping right into the video, let's unbox this wig. So this is what their company's boxing looks like, and it's obviously from UNice. They were kind enough to give me a wig cap and a little mesh bag with some goodies in there. Now, it did come with an adjustable strap, which you could add, but I didn't need to because the wig fit perfectly. They gave me some lashes, and child, these lashes was bomb. These are the lashes that I am wearing in the video. And they also were kind enough to give me a headband. Now, as far as this wig, yeah, let's get into it, because look at that. Curls are bomb, and all I did was shampoo and condition her from, you know, removing the bleach off the knots, and that was it. I plucked her, and of course I went on ahead and plucked her on a white towel again. If you guys didn't see my last video, I talked about why I pluck on a white towel now, and it is changing my hair game, okay? And so yeah, it's like really blown out. That's why I said if you guys want to see me straighten this video, comment down below. It comes with 3 combs and the little adjustable bands at the back. But, you know, you can add your adjustable strap as needed. This wig fit me perfectly, so I didn't have to do that. Now, honestly, I'm going to keep it 100 with y'all. When I put this wig on and I seen how big it was, I was like, ooh, we might have to thin her out, because I like big hair, but this was just like, damn, this shit was like volume 3000. So I was like, we'll see once I, like, you know, wet it and style it and everything. But here I'm just showing you guys that you can part it either way, either side. I did decide to go on ahead and go with the side part, but you know, you could do a middle part, you could do whatever you want. I'm probably gonna do a half up, half down style eventually, so make sure y'all go on ahead and follow my Instagram at It's Glambytai, because I'll be posting pictures of that style pretty soon. So I'm sectioning the top part of this wig out so that I can have room to actually work with. I'm going to be taking my scissors and I'm going to be cutting the lace into sections. Now this time I did 4 separate sections. I highly recommend, if you're a beginner, to basically mark where you want your wig to lay. You can take like a little white pencil or a brown eyeliner pencil and just mark where your wig is going to lay on that lace so that it's easier for you to apply. But I'm so used to doing my wigs that I didn't need to. So I'm going to take my Ghost Bond lace glue and I'm using the back of my rat tail and I am applying a thin layer of this. Now normally I would start like all the way at the tippy top and then work my way to the sides. But lately I've been realizing that if I do one side and then the other side, it's been working for me. It's just a new technique that I'm trying. And it's actually been working. So far so good, sis. I'm applying a very thin layer of this Ghost Bond lace glue because you do not need a lot. Like I said, we don't want to make it cakey or caked up or whatever. And we want to make sure that it's drying clear. So a little goes a long way, sis. Trust me. Now, this is why I say it's really important for you to mark your wig if you're a beginner, just because right with this step is you will know when to stop and start your lace glue, if that makes sense. Like, you'll know how far to go with it. This is my second layer this time of applying the lace glue, and as you can see, look, it's going to instantly turn clear. That's why I say use a thin layer, because the thicker it is, the harder it is for it to dry or get tacky. So now I'm going to take my comb and I'm going to back hair the comb while I'm pulling the lace completely forward over that lace glue. And now I do this is because I don't want none of the hair on the wig to actually stick to our lace glue. We still want that hair to just be, you know, movable and still have some volume to it. Now I'm taking my Own Dynasty's lace melting spray and I'm going to spray that on a hairline. And then I'm also going to take my blow dryer, blow dry that dry, and also use my comb to comb out the hair because, like I said, we don't want the hair to be crunchy. We don't want the hair to be like stuck down like glue. We still want it to be very mobile. Now I'm going to tie it down with my scarf, and I'm probably going to leave that on for like 5-10 minutes, not even that long. And then, sis, it's time for us to take that scarf down and see what we have created. Now, as y'all can see, boom, look at that. Nice, really nice. So now I'm going to take my scissors and I'm going to zigzag cut my lace. Key on the zigzag, sis, because you definitely don't want a harsh blunt cut. But look at that. Once I cut my lace, it's barely there. Like, where's the lace, sis? Where's the lace, sis? Okay. Now it is time for us to take out our baby hairs, or you know what we're going to use as baby hairs. Now in my last video I did not decide to do like the middle part baby hairs, but I did with this video. So I start off by doing my temple sides or whatever, and then I'm going to take, you know, my sideburn baby hairs, whatever you want to call them. And as y'all can see, I'm taking out a good amount of hair because this is just the look that I'm going for. Play with your baby hairs, child. You literally can create any look that you choose, okay? So once I take all of that out, I am going to pull the baby hairs all the way at the top of my forehead. Now, this is completely optional. Y'all don't have to. Y'all could just be good with the little 4 sections, whatever y'all want to do. But the look that I was going for today, I knew I was going to do like something OD. So now I'm taking my hot comb and I am hot combing my baby hairs. Now I had seen in Aragonte's video, he goes on ahead and he will cut his baby hair and then curl them with a flat iron to make sure that they lay a specific way. I'm gonna try that method, so we'll see how it comes out. But so far, this hot comb method has been working good for me. When it comes time for us to cut our baby hairs, I'm using my scissors and I'm just doing like a blunt cut through the baby hair. And I'm going to take my Gorilla Snot gel, and I'm using that to actually lay my baby hairs. I mentioned in my last video that this is a new technique that I've been trying, and so far so good. It does not make the hair crunchy for me. Maybe because I'm applying a little bit. I mean, everybody is different, and how you apply it does make a big difference in how much you use. But I'm literally using like less than a pea size amount, okay? And yeah, you can use a razor comb to cut your baby hairs to make it more like of a rigid cut, but child, this is just what I like to do, and this is what works for me. So play with your baby hairs. I definitely would say that. Now, once I get my baby hairs to lay exactly how I want them to lay, I'm going to take my scarf again and I'm going to tie that down. And now this time I did keep it on a little bit longer because I went on ahead and beat my face, child. Okay, look, we back and better than ever. Face is a bomb. So now it's time to take my scarf off. I just take that off real quick, and look at that, laid. I probably would say it took me like 20 minutes, you know, to do my makeup. So that's how long I kept the scarf on. Completely optional, but whatever. Now I'm taking my comb and I'm parting out where I want my part to be for this, you know, look today. Like I said, I did want to go on ahead and do a side part because I haven't had like side part with curly hair in a minute. So I'm going to take my my hot comb. I'm going to take my hot comb and I'm going to make sure all of that is laid, making sure that I am getting into the hairline because we had that scarf on for quite some time. So it can make the hairline, you know, a little like stuck down, and I still want it to be very movable and everything like that. So I did go on ahead and use my hot comb just to flatten everything out. Now it's time to actually start styling this wig, and I was kind of nervous because, child, it barely even looked like the curl had any curl pattern after I had brushed those curls out, okay? But literally, I'm taking a spray bottle with some water in it. That's it, water just only. You could put conditioner if you want. That's up to you, but mine just has water. That's it. And I'm spraying it all throughout the hair while I'm combing with like finger detangling, I guess you can say, because I wanted them curls to be bounced back. Now I am going to go ahead and crunch the hair throughout, as y'all see me do. Like, I'm going to be crunching the hair just to make sure the curls actually do come back and like bounce back type shit. Okay, so I had mentioned that this hair is 150% density, if I'm not mistaken. But this hair is super fucking thick, child. My arm was hurting so bad using this spray bottle. And this is an infinity spray bottle. So it has an infinite spray. So it's not like I'm pumping with my hand, child. And my hand was still hurting. But finally, you know, we got it all wet. And I would just recommend like using a sink or something just to make it easier for yourself, because the spray bottle was hard. But once everything is how I get it, I'm using my Garnier Fructis Curl Sculpting Gel. And I'm going to take that and rake it through the hair completely. This is completely optional. Whatever, you know, you use for your curly hair, like styling products, is what you can use. Now, I do recommend to use some type of oil. I didn't specifically in this video, but now I've been wearing the hair for like 2-3 days. And I would definitely say to use a hair oil, because this is a highlighted wig and it is blonde. And y'all know that blonde hair is processed hair. So definitely use some type of oil to keep the hair moisturized. I also went on ahead and used my olive oil wrapping foam, and I'm just raking that through the hair just to define the curls once it does dry and everything like that. And it doesn't leave like a hard cast on the hair. So that's why I like to use it. So after I rake everything through and just get everything to look how I wanted to, this is the finished result. She came out so cute, and it's even cuter when it dries. So make sure y'all check out my Instagram for more pictures. But thanks for watching, you guys. Bye.